Good morning to you. Take a look at Winston-Salem, looking beautiful this morning. Lots of those city lights sparkling down below. We have stars sparkling up above us, and it's a nice, clear, cold start to the day. Temperatures and wind chills are both on this map. Temperatures in blue, wind chills in purple, and you can see in Winston-Salem, we're in the mid-20s for the actual temperature, but you have a wind chill of 19 degrees in Winston-Salem. 15 degrees is a wind chill in Greensboro. 18 for Burlington, 20 in Yanceyville. Over to the west, and our mountain single-digit wind chills until you get over to Beech Mountain, and that's where the wind chill is 12 degrees below zero. It's still very breezy in the higher elevations of our mountains this morning, and that's also where high wind warnings will stay in effect until noon today. Clear skies across the region. Boy, is it a beautiful day shaping up. It's just going to be cold. It's not until the overnight hours, just around midnight, that we may see some scattered clouds rolling across our skies. Otherwise, the night is going to be clear, and tomorrow we'll start out with sunshine and just pick up a few scattered clouds as we head into the afternoon. Tomorrow it's going to be dry and very comfortable. So take a look as we are planning to end 2025 and begin 2026. Today's high, 38 degrees. 49 tomorrow for the high. That's a nice little warm up for New Year's Eve. And speaking of New Year's Eve, in the evening we are expecting temperatures to be in the upper 30s with partly cloudy skies. That's certainly chilly, but at least we're not talking about brutal wind chills in the forecast. And New Year's Day will warm up to 53 degrees, which is actually above normal. What a nice way to start the new year. We stay in the mid-50s through Saturday, and then we'll drop back down to 50 by Sunday.